All right, hi, let's go over the exit ticket. So number one, which phrase describes the expression below? So when I look at it, I have x divided by 4 minus 5. So the first one says the product of a number and 4. I know I'm not multiplying, so I know it cannot be A because this word is wrong. Answer choice B, 5 less than. So anytime it says less than, I know this is going to go second, which is good. Then the quotient of a number and 4. So that one's good so far. A number divided by 4, that's good, and 5. It should say less 5. So it's not C. 5 less than, so that means that would come second. Then the product of a number and 4. The problem here is it says product, and we're dividing. Number 2, translate the verbal sentence to an algebraic sentence. 5 less than, so that means I'm going to be minusing 5 from something, the product of a number and 4. So I'm going to be multiplying 4 times something because it says product. So the answer here is C. Number 3, which of the following is the algebraic form for the verbal statement shown? The quotient, which means division, of a number and 6, so you have to keep that in the same order, less 5, so that means minus 5 is 17. So then I come over here and I figure out which one of these equations matches this. So this matches, they just used y instead of n, so that one's good. This has it in the wrong order. 6y, it didn't say 6 times y, it said quotient, and this has 6 on top, and the order was number and 6. So the variable had to go on top. Number 4, Jana wrote the equation 2n minus 3 equals 12 as part of a problem she was solving. She wanted Sally to read it back to her verbally so she could check her work. Which verbal description best describes this? 3 less than, so that means that the 3 would come second. 3 less than a number squared. This is not squared, this is times 2, so that's wrong. 2 times 3, I'm not multiplying 2 times 3. Twice the number, so that's good. N, less than. Anytime it says less than, that means this would come second, and that's not what we want. Double a number n, so that's good. Double means 2n. Less 3. If it just says less, that just means minus. That's different than saying less than. Less 3 is 12. So the answer here should have been D. And number 5, which phrase best represents the following? So when I look at it, this says that 7 is greater than or equal to 8n plus 4. So this says 7 is less than, so that's incorrect. 7 is less than, it's not less than. 7 is greater than, it is greater than, but it should also say or equal to, so it's missing that. And D, 7 is greater than or equal to, so that's good so far. 8 times a number, increased by 4. So the answer is D. All right, when you're solving this, just remember to read carefully. Hopefully that helps you guys. See you in class.